Hello folks, so welcome back. Today we are unboxing a new transporter edition of Majorette. It's a Volvo truck, a Volvo semi with an excavator as an haulage on it, and this is produced by Majorette. And Majorette is a German company. These are designed by Majorette, but the production is happening in Thailand. All these scale models of Majorette are licensed, and as you can see over here, this is the licensed serial number. The packaging seems to be very sturdy and strong enough to hold the item safely. It's a scale model. The attention to detail for this particular transporter is very unique, as it carries each and every attribute of the original model. I believe so. The die cast would be 1:200 scale. So without wasting any much more time, let us do the unboxing. I'll simply use my thumb to unbox it. I won't use any kind of knives or cutters. Let me be very okay. So yeah, this is how it is. Yep, this is coming out. This is it. Now this is the semi and this is the excavator. So as you can see, this is so this is the excavator which goes over it. It has a unique protection grill for the cab. The cab is pretty much detailed. The excavator here. The tracks do not move. They have got dummy wheels beneath the excavator. The excavator itself is of, let me just focus. Yeah, 1:137 scale, and it's made in Thailand, and yeah, it can move along very well. So yes, the arm of this excavator moves. The bucket also moves very well. This is how the bucket goes, and and yes, you can also move the excavator in 360-degree direction as per the actual model. So talking about the semi, this is the Volvo puller. It has got a beautiful fifth wheel. This is made up of plastic, and oh yeah, this has got a foldable stand over here in order to park your trailer properly. If we'll just talk about the loader, this has got the complete loader effects over here. The excavator itself is pretty heavy, actually heavier than the trailer, and yes, it can very easily come up over here. You can park two different machineries over here. The attention to the model of Volvo is pretty much clean. You can get the Volvo logo, you can spot the headlights, you can spot the radiator grille, you can even spot the interiors very well. The wheels are really fantastic. The fifth wheel looks good, I think so. Yeah, that can be taken out very easily. Yeah, that can be taken out, if you can see it over here. Yeah, this is how it comes out. So yes, it has got a separate. So this one is a Fliglo loader made in Thailand. And oh, okay, so this loader, it's itself a licensed part. The Volvo puller is also licensed by Germany, made in Thailand. The scale is 1:2. ECHS 1/87, references to 87C. Volvo FMX. Looks pretty impressive. The detailings are very good. You can just park up over here. Here it goes off to the delivery area and then coming again. That looks good. Here it comes again. It is good. The wheels are really very smooth to operate. None of the wheels of the loader or the puller is going up above the elevation level, so all wheels are fully functioning. I've seen other loaders of Majorette itself in which the middle wheel or the third wheel actually is a little bit above the elevation level, so the complete load rests upon the fifth wheel and the last axle of the loader, and these two wheels are not moving freely, but in this case the wheels are really moving freely. That's it for this episode. Stay tuned to unbox the Nissan Nismo racetrack trailer and few more vehicles. Presenting to you all the Volvo FMX puller with trailer.